Cocody-Angré. Au cœur de cette belle bâtisse de l'autre côté de la rue se loge une école d'excellence, Graduate School of Management, l'école qui forme les meilleures élites bilingues de la Côte d'Ivoire et d'Afrique. C'est dans ces locaux que se tiendront dans quelques minutes la prestigieuse compétition dénommée ANC English Promotion Day, initiée par l'ANC Anglonet Corporation, association de promotion de l'anglais et de l'informatique en Côte d'Ivoire. Lancée le 4 mai 2016 à Agitel Formation, cette 10e édition de l'ANC English Promotion Day enregistre au total 8 établissements scolaires, à savoir dans la catégorie des grandes écoles et universités Agitel Formation, l'école pratique de la Chambre des commerces et de l'industrie, l'ISTC-JF de Beaunois, l'EFA de Yopougon, et dans la catégorie des établissements secondaires, lycée moderne de Cocody-Angré, lycée moderne d'Azaguier, lycée municipal d'Adjamé-Williamsville et le lycée moderne d'Abobo. Avant le début des hostilités, le public a eu droit au traditionnel discours des organisateurs et des officiels.
Welcome to the 10th edition of ANC English Promotion Day. On behalf of the committee of organization, I thank you all for coming to take part in this great event. At the end of this competition, the English language will be the winner.
The Anglo Network Corporation is a visionary program that will allow you to have the key to the world. Graduate School of Management is a university that divides the same objective. We here are a private university created since 2002, and we train future leaders for tomorrow.
I would just say the purpose of this is to discuss what we can do to improve governance for our own development, not only in Côte d'Ivoire, but for all of Africa. So it's a real pleasure to be here today, and I look forward to your participation this morning. One tree will never make a forest. We need many trees, and together we can form the forest. Côte d'Ivoire needs trees that can collaborate to transform lives.
This competition is a way for us to show that we would like to promote English, but we would like also to better our English. So for today, Agitel Training Center is really happy to be partner of this competition, and we'd like to thank Mr. Kode Musa for this idea. Thank you very much, and I would like to wish you good luck.
I will really appreciate thanking Graduate School of Management for hosting this event. And I think Graduate School of Management is a good place. Thanks would go to the different partners. We have been able to give us some rewards for this competition. It's not easy. This edition is the 10th, but we'll still have too many other editions. So in another ceremony of reward, the partners will come to explain to the beneficiaries how they should get in touch with the different scholarships.
À la suite des allocutions, la compétition a pu véritablement démarrer. Il s'agit pour les équipes de présenter un talk show et un poème sur le thème de l'importance de la bonne gouvernance dans le développement d'un pays, le cas de la Côte d'Ivoire, et une prestation de karaoké.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Yang. My name is Rose Diego. Okay, but first of all, Ms. Diego, can you give me the meaning of good governance? Okay, I can say that good governance is about the processes for making and implementing decisions.
Okay, now let's get started by going to the viewpoint of our case. Okay, Mr. K, I just want to know something. According to you, what does good governance mean exactly?
Okay, thanks for giving me the floor. To my mind, after a very analysis on the international arrangements, govern in transparency. Oh! As the word we can by having this place. Oh! How equal opportunities is important in schools building, hospital building, and roads building. My children
Mr. President, good governance is developing a country closely linked by the convergence of politicians and the partisans. You introduced us in the era of freedom, of justice and equality. Since then, your symphony resounds in almost all the spheres of our activities and daily governance.
That's where people share the same rights I'm looking for. I'm looking for the good leader for my country. The one who will translate.
Yes! When in the country, everything is all right. All right! Because the United States is great. Fights for the welfare of his people. Of the African nation. The blood that we keep inside is hard. We declare hot. The war to Mama Africa by the corruption, stupidity, frugality, and equality. You don't know, you don't care how many times you have suffered.
People be talking about, and we won't just love inside us, can't stop the fire from rising.
So many innocent days. This is a never to change. My God's probably turning in his way. Every shade was beautiful in vain and powerful. There's so much strength in you and me. Powerful. It bless your way from victory. I matter, you matter, we matter. I matter, you matter, we matter. Powerful. I see a girl of the future, but don't you define any human? The start happy only for shooting.
This life don't last forever. On my head. So tell me what we waiting for. On my head. We better all be together.
Of this English being known nowadays as the language of science, technology, and business, and also first international language. So let's go with Maro. What we're going to do now is moving on the concept of good governance. Let us emphasize that it has to do with leadership and its 7 features, namely accountability, transparency, the rule of law, inclusiveness, responsiveness, effectiveness, and participation.
Thank you. With all this summed up, we are sure of steady and sustainable development here in Côte d'Ivoire. Côte d'Ivoire is a country located in West Africa with a population estimated of about 23 million inhabitants and with a motor of impact, which is union, discipline, and work. And it abounds in natural and mineral resources such as petrol, cocoa, coffee, ivory, and so on and so forth.
When it depth, build. When it puts, build. Preserve his head. Build. Build. Build.
Beauty rises diversity. Light does not discriminate. Nature, infrastructure, agriculture, manufacture, architecture, art and culture. No more leisure. Of these wealth we must treasure.
To secure heaven, help the lowly. Of lens, development can be true by good governance.
Plutocracy breeds black
breeds,
black
flags, black bottoms.
Be a sphinx to peers.
And Caesar to adversary. That is our vision of good
on corruption and make ways for transparency. When shall we turn our back on injustice and embrace the way to equity, human dignity, and national unity? Between the local shepherd and so-called Western wolf, the lamb is lost. This voice is screaming for change at any cost. From the east to west coast, we keep our figure course.
Wake up, Africa!
Wake up, Côte d'Ivoire!
Wake up, land fight for fathers!
Wake up, country of 60 ethnic group!
If you want to be a reference in Africa and beyond, sleep no more and cast your eyes good governance.
Initiative Government for Sustainable Development.
Thank you.
Anywhere we followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I'm feeling so small. He was over my head, and nothing at all. Phone's blowing up, ring my bell. I feel alive, feel alive. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and drink from back till I lose count. Gonna swing from a chandelier, from a chandelier. I'm gonna leave.
Une rude compétition qui a donné du fil à retordre aux membres du jury. Après plusieurs minutes de tractation, les résultats sont enfin tombés. Dans la catégorie des établissements secondaires, 4e, lycée municipal d'Adjamé-Williamsville. 3e, lycée moderne d'Azaguié. 2e, lycée municipal d'Abobo. Et 1er, lycée moderne de Cocody-Angré. Dans la catégorie des universités et grandes écoles, 4e, EFA de Yopougon. 3e, ISTCJF de Beaunois. 2e, l'école pratique de la Chambre des commerces et de l'industrie. Et 1er, Agitel Formation. Des récompenses qui ne laissent pas indifférents les récipiendaires.
My impressions are the best of ones. It was not easy, it was really tight because all the schools did so well and we gave in our best. We want to first of all thank God for everything because He's the one that has given us breath and He's the one that has given us victory. And also the AngloNet Corporation because they are the ones that have given us this opportunity to be here and to compete and also to, how can I say, come together as one with our brothers and sisters from other schools. And thank you very much. We are the first for the second time. Thank you, Praisey. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Mr. Nyepa. Thank you, Ajitel, for your support. Thank you, Mr. Kone.
We are always learning, and for the kids, that is an opportunity for them to be in contact with other students, interaction between the kids, and give them the opportunity to perform and show what they have. So this is good. I think, as you have just said, the winner is the English language.
All of the teams prepared very well. I particularly enjoyed the singing, but the talk shows and the poem had a lot of interesting ideas about development and the role of good governance in Africa. So congratulations on a very successful program.
This is let's say, an occasion for the students to get in touch with their friends and exchange with them and see what is done, let's say, in other schools. We congratulate the INC for giving this occasion to the student to perform and to exchange.
I'm encouraging you to continue in this way so that it will help students to upgrade their level in English. And so far, I think everything is okay.
Pour le président de l'ANC, c'est un satisfait total.
So it was a real pleasure for us to organize that, and the president of the committee of organization of this great event was wonderful in all the different aspects. So it was great. I just want to encourage all the different partners to continue supporting us and call for sponsors because it's very difficult, such an organization. So anyone that sees himself in this initiative, please let us come together and provide joy and pleasure to the English-loving people in Côte d'Ivoire. So thank you very much and God bless you.
C'est dans une ambiance folle que s'est achevée cette 10e édition de l'ANC English Promotion Day ce 4 juin 2016 dans les locaux de la Graduate School of Management. Rendez-vous est donc pris pour la 11e édition en 2017.